I'm a sucker for these little historical landmarks. This one is about petroglyphs. I'll go over and take a look. It says Gangat Bama Itwacha, stories from the past. Leave it right there, pause it if you want to read that. And we got 3 informational placards. That's the first one. Here's the second one. The Crooked River Petroglyph. They write their dreams on rocks forever. Love that idea. Pause it there if you want to read that. Pan over and show you this epic section of canyon. Look at that. That is beautiful. We're here at the Cove Palisades State Park in Central Oregon, Lake Billy Chinook. And I'm going to walk up to the 3rd and final placard, last but not least. Let's go take a look. Leave it there, pause if you want to read that. Then even the rocks knew our names and spoke to us, and we to them. Tribal Elder, Columbia River Plateau. And last but not least, I want to walk over and show you straight ahead on that rock. That, my friend, is a petroglyph. Stopped at this ancient petroglyph historical landmark. Read a couple placards, 3, and now I am taking a little trail. We are getting some opening up views of the mighty Lake of Billy Chinook across the way. I'm standing here at a plaque commemorating the island, a national natural landmark. And across the way, that is the island. The top of that is one of the largest undisturbed pieces of land for over 100 years in the contiguous 48 United States of America. So this down here is the plaque commemorating that. I know that it is studied for scientific purposes.